Ellie the little elephant was the smallest in her herd, with ears too big and a trunk that always tripped her. Everyone called her Tiny Ellie. One sunny morning, a baby monkey fell from a tall tree and landed on a rocky island in the middle of the rushing river. He cried and cried. The big elephants shook their heads. "The water is too fast," they said. "Too scary." But Ellie's heart went thump-thump. She took one tiny step, then another, into the river. The water pushed and splashed, but Ellie kept going. She stretched her long trunk like a bridge and wrapped it gently around the shaky monkey. "I've got you," she whispered. Step by step, she carried him back to his mama. The monkey hugged Ellie's muddy leg. All the big elephants trumpeted and clapped their ears. From that day on, no one called her Tiny Ellie anymore. They called her Ellie the Brave, and she always walked with her head held high and her big ears flapping proudly.